Hi, friends and family. As you can see, this young man sitting beside me here, him is my spouse, right? My boyfriend, my husband, all in one. We have a special announcement today to make. We're going to be reaching out to a few people in Jamaica. But first of all, I want to take the time out to send best wishes and a speedy recovery to Miss Nicole in England. Miss Nicole, I love you so much, and I hope that you're feeling better, right? All the best to you, and I'm wishing you a speedy recovery. We're also reaching out to Miss Colleen, who lives here in the States, and she's trying to get a hold of her family the family name is Teresa Rhoden and Patsy Stewart, and they're from Blackness, Westmoreland in Savannah. We're also reaching out to Valerie McNeil, otherwise called Norma, and she is trying to get a hold of her family in. We also have Judith Marie, who is reaching out to her loved ones. Valerie McNeil, otherwise called Norma. She works close to the Rose Hall Hotel at Norwood District. Bally McNeil, also of Tucker District, right? Keith Gentles is looking for his brother, Mark Durrant, in Blackrey, close to Shudley, Christanna. And we have a telephone number too. So please get in touch with your brother, and we will link those number in the bottom of our video here. Okay, so, and also, this is for Marlon Chung, Jamaica Chinese boy, and Auntie Pauline. You all know that he's my son. And we are doing a crate for Jamaica, and we are desperate in need of some donations, right? We are looking for food, lots of food. They ask for sheet and pillowcases and this milk that they call Lasco milk, right? They're asking for Lasco milk too, right? I think I have a little package of it here. My husband went and got it, right? So you can please try and get some of it. And we are taking non-perishable item, please. This is the little thing that my husband bought, this Lasco. And this is the vanilla flavor that goes with a lot of things. They have different flavor too. Need some medical items, please. Baby formulas, ladies sanitary pads, things like that, right? We need all these things to go down. It's very important down there now, right? This is 5 pounds of goat meat, ram goat meat. Cutting 2 nice cut bonnet pepper.
When did you start cooking?
When I was a young girl. We are going on a hayride today. And I met her here last week, and we became friends since then.
Auntie Pauline, you're to a brass.
You can reach me at 954-469-9102. Thank you so much, and stay tuned and watch our video. Okay, I put the peas on to boil, and we're just gonna let it boil up good for a little while, and the peas come up on top, and then we're gonna sink it. And here is the pigtail that is scalding off here, right? And I have some beef over here. I'm going to put a little salt on it to clean it, right? Some salt and a piece of lime, and I did tip a little vinegar in the water. Afraid of the bones with the meat, so I just using the spoon to stir it up, to wash it. Stay in there so for a while, and then I wash it, rinse, give it another rinse, and put it into the pot. Yes. All right, coming up with some cold water. Let me use this to put in some cold water. Sink in the peas. All right. Okay. I'm going to just leave this to boil now. You see it? You see when you say you're cleaning your meat? See how much time I clean this meat? And you put the salt in there. The salt is the best thing to wash your meat them with. Right? Believe you me. And people love vinegar. I don't mind putting a little vinegar, but I love my lime. Love lime. You know? And these are some beef neck bone. I love the beef neck bone. I love the beef neck bone because it has a nice flavor to it. This is what I call the bad blood water. You see how the meat look? You see how it look kind of powdery like? This is the bad blood water, and it's the salt and the lime that is going through the meat and cleaning it. See it? So it looking pretty. You see it? Yeah, it's pulling out the bad blood out of it. Especially them beef here. Okay, this is Ricardo that bring this to me. It's some pimento leaf. You all know who is Ricardo. Ricardo is always been here with me. And I am going to put some of these leaf here into my stew piece pot. I have a throw little pimento seed into the pigtail here to let it boil. Right, so I'm going to drop a few of this leaf in here. Let it flavor up the pigtail too. And then this here, I am going to throw this into my peas and let it cook into my stew peas, and then I take it out. Right? This is so nice. And it's dried, air dry. Right? So I keep it. And when I'm cooking, I just drop some of it in there for flavoring. And even on my jerk. I put it on my jerk pork too, and my jerk chicken. So there it is. And some pimento grain in here. You see, everything I do, I make it with a little flavoring. This is the pigtail scalding, but I flavor it up. Right? So the pigtail itself have some pimento flavor in there, and with the leaf and the seed. Okay. That's nice. Continue to boil. And then now I'm going to put in the beef. Now, see here? This is the salt water I'm rinsing off now, and the lime, and I'm rinsing it off with fresh water. When me done rinse my meat and clean my meat, you know, sometimes you can't even see the blood in it, you know, because me always think that me have to clean out all of my meat them good. Okay, I am going to be putting in the meat here. And like I said, my friends and family, I have some big man into the house that I have to cook for. And I am cooking just not for one day. I cook and I put away, especially now, because I have to be paying attention to packing the crate and packing the barrels, selecting out the things them to get them to put in there. So maybe tomorrow I can make another video. Maybe I can't make another video, but at least the family will be fed. I'm a provision. Yeah. Nice. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Good. All right. So this is going to boil. Nice. Good. All right. So we're gonna leave these two here to scald off. Let me taste my salt. Salt is good. Okay, I am putting in the pigtail in here now into this pot, and so everything will cook in together. Okay, so here we go. This is going to cook in now. Everything is going to stay here, and it's just going to boil. Keep boiling for a while. And I'm going to just put in some more garlic and let it cook in. In some spinners for my stew piece pot. Honey, I go soon need a let me see how far my meat reach. So me like my spinach them make, you know, little bit of fine. Give me the green pepper now, honey, please. So that's a piece of scotchy, some scallion, an onion. Want to wash some thyme and put a green pepper in there. And let everything take its time and just boil in. Thyme. Should have tied all my thyme. My onion, my scallion, and you know I did put a lot of garlic in there when I was cooking it. Piece of pepper, and a green scotchy. Take your time on cooking, you know. Wow, the Pamela in there too. Good. I'm just sticking up the rice. I did cook this in the rice pot, so I'm just sticking it up. Good. And then we're going to make our plate. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Look at this. Isn't this a sight? This is so delicious. The papaya look nice. See that? Friends and family, Miss, what's her name? The lady in, Miss Charmaine. I'm going to put on 2 pieces of that pigtail here for you. Right? And declare that's 2 pieces here. Right? And just let me know if you want more. Oh boy, look at that. Oh, ain't this delicious? Look at that. Got all them big old tumper tail, pigtail, yeah. Oh, it looks so pretty and nice. Ah, look here. Okay, so we're going to make our plate now, and then we're going to give God thanks. Okay. There, honey. You dish out what you want. I was going to hurt him if I dish it for him. I'm not cry. Good. They say Pops is a pigtail man. I am the beef person. All right, honey. I don't eat stew peas with rice. Well, thank you all so much, my friends and family, for being here with us today. Thank you for sitting in with another video, right? Please continue to subscribe and to share up our video. We love you all so much, and we couldn't have done this without you. Many, many thanks. We're going to say our grace now, and then we'll go from there. Father Jesus, for what we're about to receive, may this be of great nourishment to our bodies, Lord. Father, please bless and guide and protect our family down there in Jamaica. Please help them to go through this and just let it just pass over. I pray to thee. Amen. This is some nice stew peas. Thank you all so much. Bye.
Thank you.
Auntie Pauline, you're too brass.